Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Although renovation work on the National Stadium facility is set to begin in coming months, JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung says he's not concerned that the nation's ability to host home matches could be severely affected. JFF President Michael Ricketts had said recently that the Federation would look to host more matches outside of the National Stadium. And Chung revealed earlier this week that the Reggae Girls' 2 home-friendly internationals against the 50th ranked South Africa will be played at the Montego Bay Sports Complex.
As I said to you also, the Montego Bay Sports Complex is being worked on. So for the 2 games the girls have coming up in November 29th and December 2nd, it's actually going to be at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in Catherine Hall. So we think that we'll get there. We can't wake up one day with a problem and then wish for the problem to go away the same day.
The government is set to start delivering on its announcement of a planned investment of $100 million towards the development of youth cricket and cricket in schools over the next 5 years. Just over a year after Sports Minister Olivia Grange indicated that government intended to invest the $100 million into cricket development, funds are finally set to start flowing into local cricket. That announcement came in the aftermath of the government being criticized for not supporting the Jamaica Cricket Association's bid to host the games in the 2024 ICC T20 World Cup. TVJ Sports sought an update on those funds from Minister Grange.
So 100 million, we are committed to that. 40 million in this fiscal year, which is being provided in the supplementary. And that 40 million, government will determine through the Ministry of Sports. We will be determining how that 40 million will be spent. Of course, we will be in consultation with Jamaica Cricket Association.
Young Jamaican sensations Akira Nugent and Rashawn Clark have signed up with Grand Slam Track, the professional track competition launched earlier this year by 4-time U.S. Olympic champion Michael Johnson. Both athletes who competed at the Paris Olympics this past summer will now compete in all 4 Grand Slam Track meets in 2025. Nugent, who specializes in the 100-meter hurdles, is one of Jamaica's top emerging athletes. She holds the 2021 World Under-20 Championship title and set a national record of 12.28 seconds for the event at the 2024 Jamaican Championships. 20-year-old Clark holds the World Under-20 record of 47.34 seconds set at the 2023 World Championships in Hungary, where he finished 5th in the final. Nugent and Clark are the first Jamaicans to officially sign up for the league. In an effort to sell Jamaica as a sports tourism destination, the Canadian travel industry through the Sandals brand is bringing golf to the shores with a 2 scramble hole tournament at the Upton Golf and Country Club. The tournament, which teed off on Thursday, will see 17 teams of 4 players playing for the top prize. And additionally, there will be an international flavor.
We have a couple of new additions this year. We have a gentleman by the name of Todd Kirsted. He actually is a celebrity. He's won Trick Shot of the Year. He's been on ESPN TV. He's a really big known name in the golf market, and he's here helping us raise funds for the Sandals Foundation also this year.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.